It's one of the most talked about projects in Washington, President Trump's new ballroom at the White House. But as construction continues, it's become a lightning rod for controversy, and a new test of political loyalty for Democrats eyeing 2028. California Democrat Eric Swalwell is leading the charge, demanding that every 2028 Democratic presidential candidate pledge to demolish the ballroom if they win. Any Democrat running in 2028 should promise to take a wrecking ball to Trump's ballroom on day one. The call has ignited debate across media and social platforms. According to a YouGov poll, 77% of Democrats oppose the East Wing demolition and the ballroom project itself. But what started as a political gesture is now shaping up to be a defining issue for progressives, a symbol of resistance to Trump's imprint on the presidency. Other Democratic lawmakers, including Reps Robert Garcia, Yasemin Ansari, and Jared Huffman, have joined Swalwell's demand for transparency, even sending a formal letter to President Trump criticizing the ballroom's construction. Former White House Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre called the project corruption at its core. And both Hillary Clinton and Hakeem Jeffries have publicly condemned what they describe as Trump's effort to brand the White House. Media coverage has been intense and polarized. Conservative outlets mock the outrage, calling it Ballroom Derangement Syndrome. Meanwhile, progressive outlets see it differently, as a legitimate fight over historic preservation and presidential accountability. National polling tells a more complicated story. While most Democrats oppose the ballroom, only 53% of Americans overall share that view. Among independents, the swing voters who often decide elections, most disapprove of the ballroom's cost and secrecy, but few support demolishing it outright. Analysts warn the wrecking ball pledge could backfire, energizing the base but alienating moderates and independents focused on the economy, governance, and restoring normalcy. It's red meat for progressives, but for swing voters, it feels like more Washington drama. Even if the ballroom becomes a symbol of Trump's presidency, its fate will likely depend on who controls the White House after 2028. And how much political capital the next president is willing to spend on tearing it down. For now, the Trump Ballroom stands as both a construction project and a political one. A battle over legacy, symbolism, and power that could echo long after the music stops.